Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to fix if we do have a difficulty in logging in on our Instagram account. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead to our Instagram account. And if we try to log in and input our username and password, but then again, it wouldn't allow us to log in, then the best thing that we are going to do then is to clear cache. We can do so by going into our mobile settings, so just like for example this one. And once we are here, we can go ahead and click apps. And basically we are going to look for Instagram. So what we are going to do then is to scroll down up until we reach Instagram. So just like for example, we have here, we're going to click this. And right after that, we are going to click storage. And once we are on this page, we are going to clear cache. So we're going to click this. And of course, we can also clear data if possible. So we're going to click OK then. And right after that, we can go ahead and try to log in on our account. So, but if in case that you can still log in on your Instagram account, what we are going to do then is to uninstall the application. So just like for example, this one, we're going to uninstall this and click OK. And right after that, we are going to go to our App Store. And basically, we are going to re-download Instagram app. So once done, we can go ahead and log into our Instagram account. So basically, we are now logged in on our Instagram account. So there you have it. That's how we are going to fix if we are unable to log in on our Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.